Hello everyone, and welcome back to another Maverick Excelsior tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to showcase the new Ambience Library we've added to Excelsior. Let's start by dropping in a model and changing the material to 18K gold. If we head over to the Ambiences panel, you'll see there's now a new category called Sunday. As we click through and load these ambiences, you'll notice they all feature direct lighting that casts a hard shadow. Let's change the ring's pose so it's laying flat. And we'll keep cycling through different ambiences. As you know, depending on your design, certain lighting setups are just going to look better than others. It's important to pay attention to the metal on your model and how the ambience enhances its shape. We have over 60 new ambiences in the libraries. A cool tip is to head over to the Globals panel and rotate the environment. This way, you can position the shadow in whatever direction you like best. You just have to wait a second for the shadows to update and render in high quality. We've also got new ambiences in the white category. There's no direct light here, but they're super handy when you need a more neutral environment. Let's swap out the model and keep experimenting. For this heart-cut ring, let's apply a blue sapphire and a rose gold metal. Now, in the Ambience panel, we can play around until we find the one we like most. We'll lay the model down and keep testing out ambiences. Let's rotate the environment and make sure the design looks exactly how we want it to. Let's switch models again to a more curvy design. We'll change the metal to gold, and now we can play around with the new ambiences. Just by clicking, we can quickly iterate through different lighting setups. Now, if we want to do a final render, let's turn on depth of field and set our focal point. We can lay the ring flat and keep applying different ambiences. If we zoom out, remember to reset your focal point. To wrap up, let's bring in one last model. This time, we're going to apply an ambience from the black library, which has also grown significantly. These setups always look super elegant. Now let's tweak the materials. White diamond to pink diamond, which looks absolutely stunning. Yellow gold, and we'll keep playing with our scene by changing up the ambiences. You can rotate the environment to see how the reflections change. This model could really benefit from enabling the round edges option since it has some hard bevels. Let's turn that on and tweak the radius to see the effect. Finally, let's jump over to the Ambience Library to use one of the sun setups, which look really great. As you can see, with just a few clicks in Maverick Excelsior, it's super easy to create realistic jewelry renders. You can also create videos, which is one of the best ways to present your designs. Let's change the speed to slow and run a preview to see the final result. Simply stunning. You can find more info on the new Ambience Library, along with other examples, over on our blog. That's it for now. I'll see you in the next video.